Well, here we are in the middle of summer and I'm freshening up my closet with some new colors and fun looks, and I saw something on Stitch Fix's Freestyle that wasn't even that expensive, but I wanted to have it. I wanted to have it for sure. So I decided to go ahead and do Get It in a Fix, which would guarantee that I would get that item in a Stitch Fix box. So if you've just stumbled on this video and you've heard of Stitch Fix but don't know anything about it, or you haven't heard of Stitch Fix and you like to shop, or you're like me and you lost a lot of weight and needed to replace your entire closet, or you're just Stitch Fix curious, stay with me while I unpack this box, talk about the clothes, the brands, the prices, follow the stylist notes for putting outfits together, and I'll let you know what I'm going to keep and how the discounts work. Hi, welcome to Adventures in Styling. I'm Lisa, and I started this channel after losing 68 pounds, finding myself needing to replace everything in my closet and being in a size 4 for the first time in my entire adult life. So for me, fashion was a whole new experience. So let's just go ahead and rip into this box and see what I've got here. So if you're new to Stitch Fix, I am going to give a referral code in my description box and my pinned comments. You would get no styling fee on your first box and $25 to use on your first box. Pretty good deal. Normally it's a $20 styling fee, and if you send everything back, you could potentially lose your styling fee. One thing that is really cool about Stitch Fix is sometimes they let you roll that styling fee over to another try at another box. With Stitch Fix, when you sign up, you don't have to pay a membership fee or anything like that. Your subscription can be monthly. It can be every 3 months. You can put it on hold. So they're pretty flexible that way. And you have to go and give them your sizes, your measurements, your likes, your dislikes. And that's how you can get the best out of your box. And if you haven't heard of Stitch Fix before, there's a whole lot more to it. Without being complicated, it's a wonderful app, but they have a place that you can shop called Freestyle. They have an online stylist that you can talk to. And oftentimes the stylist that sends you these boxes is your same stylist time after time. So I've had the same stylist for a while now, and I don't know if she's done this box, but we're about to find out. Let's take a look at the bundle. So they put all of your goodies in these little bundles with their sticker on it, and then you can kind of get a preview of what's in here. So when you get your box in the mail, on your app or on your computer, on your Stitch Fix account, you can start checking out. So you can take a peek and see what's in there ahead of time. That's why I'm so excited, because I already know what these things are, and I'm excited to open them up and try them on. Let's go ahead and rip into it, and then we'll take a look at the other bundle. Yes, there's 2 bundles in here. I have been doing Stitch Fix, I believe, for almost 2 years. Stitch Fix does give you a 20% discount if you keep 5 items from their box. And in the beginning, I normally did keep 5 items. I was getting really great boxes and I needed clothes, like I've said before. And I got to know a lot of their brands, and I've been wearing a lot of their brands on repeat, and Les Seren is one that I really love for great style. I've seen Les Seren and Daniel Rain, it's a similar brand, at Nordstrom Rack. I don't know if they have it at Nordstrom. These styles are not last year's styles. They're not last season's styles. They are things that are available for purchase from Nordstrom and other retailers. And they don't mark up the price because they're styling you. That's included in the whole service, which is really wonderful. And they also do have a couple of their own brands. I think Market and Spruce is an in-house brand from Stitch Fix. And this is just a really fun, size small Market and Spruce short sleeve sweat tank fleece, short sleeve fleece. This is the item that I asked to get in the Get It in a Fix. This is the thing that I was looking at that was for sale on their website, on their Freestyle, which is their shopping portion of their website. And it looked really fun in the picture, and I like the style of it. But now that I see it in person, I'm not so sure, to be honest with you. And when I've seen Daniel Rain at Nordstrom Rack, I've seen it as DR2. So very, very interesting. When I try everything on, I'll read the prices. We'll look at her styling notes next, and that is a size small. And here we have cut from the cloth jeans, cut from the cloth. If you're not familiar with that brand yet, they are a brand that you can find at Nordstrom and a lot of the big malls and retailers. These are a nice faded pair. I've been looking for a faded pair of jeans that are not too long. I don't want to have to wear a pair of jeans that I have to wear super high platforms with. So these look like a great length, and they're very stretchy. And let's see what size we're looking at. This is the high-rise Kelsey Fab Ab ankle flare. So for reference, I'm a size 4 or 27 on the bottom and a medium on top if it's tight-fitting, or a small. Normally, I like to wear the last thing I got from Stitch Fix in my videos, but I'm kind of dressed up today for a casual pre-4th of July event that I'm going to. Anything that I show you that's still available, I'll put links in my pinned comments in my description box. That way, if you're inspired to check it out online, look at the sizes, see how it's styled on a model online, and possibly purchase it for yourself, that is available to you there. So on the top, I'm just wearing this cute blue and white striped Dolman sleeve cotton top that I just got from Quince. It just came out, and I'm about to do a Quince video. By the way, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I do a variety of videos all along the price range. So all the way from Walmart, Uber, affordability, and Walmart's got some great trendy things right now that you don't have to spend a fortune getting in on, to Quince, which is luxury for less, to Stitch Fix, which is a wonderful variety of brands and prices and wonderful styling service. And then I do another one called Front Door Fashion, where you are looking at brands that you would get like from Bloomingdale's and Saks, higher end, mid-level to higher end brands, and they do a complete styling service. They put the outfits totally together for you. And they're out of Dallas, Texas. And my earrings, I forgot I had these from a Front Door Fashion box. I just found them in my jewelry case. I'm like, oh, I missed these earrings. All right, let's go to the next bundle. Yep, and here's my return label for Stitch Fix, and this is FedEx, and that's new. I'm getting used to that, but they do have a UPS option if you want to do that. You just have to go to your checkout and get the QR code. So before we look at the next bundle, let's take a look at what's in here. I have something in a jewelry case, so let's see what she sent me. Oh, these are adorable. These are adorable. So I have really been loving Ralph Lauren jewelry from Stitch Fix lately. I love the styles that they get. The Ralph Lauren jewelry is nice quality jewelry, and it's not costume cheap Amazon jewelry. It's reasonably priced. So this is really cute. In this particular case, I wonder if this is silver. Oh, sterling silver. Wow. Okay, I'll probably keep these. I'll probably put them on and hold them up for you. But anyway, they gave me a polishing cloth and a little bag to keep them in. So very, very cute. Almost like fine jewelry. Crazy. What do we have in the next bundle? Are these jeans or shorts? Let's find out. And this is a surprise. This is something the stylist picked out for me. So with Stitch Fix, you get a preview, and with your final box, you get 5 items or 8 items. And they've been slowly rolling out the 8-item beta program to their customers, and there's still a few people left that only get 5. So because my closet's getting pretty full and I'm getting picky about colors, and I'm purchasing similar items from other services, by the time I get the preview, some of the things in the preview I may not need at that point. So I end up keeping, on average, 2 to 4 things out of my preview, and then my stylist will pick out the rest. And she's doing such a great job. So there is something in here that I did not pick. Let's take a look at this. This is a very, very, very cute dress by Maggie London. Oh, I love Maggie London. Oh, it's a jumpsuit, the Sabrina jumpsuit. It is a crepey, kind of scratchy feeling crepey material, but if it's a beautiful, beautiful fit, I may forgive it for being a little bit crepey, which is kind of a common summer fabric these days. So this is just very, very pretty. I can't wait to try that on. And then we have Wit and Wisdom size 4. All right, I want to see the style name here. Okay, these Wit and Wisdom shorts are the high-rise double button short with patch pockets. Yes, I see that here. I like the waistband in these. I like that double button. That's very cute. The inseam looks maybe a little too short for me, but if they sit low on my hips, it might make up for that a little bit. So we'll see. I've been trying to put into all of my subscription box profiles that I want 4-inch seam or longer. And it did say 4 on the tag there, I noticed. So maybe those are some version of a 4-inch seam. And then here we have more jeans, and these are Liverpool. You cannot go wrong with Liverpool. These are size 427, and they are the Marley cropped girlfriend cuffed jeans. And I did tell my stylist I was looking for very, very light faded colored jeans. For some odd reason, for all of the shopping that I have been doing in the last couple of years, I don't have a lot of super light denim jeans. So let's take a look at her styling notes and see how she suggested to put things together, and then we'll follow her notes. Okay, I have my usual stylist this time, and her name is Laura, and she says, welcome back to your 39th fix, Lisa. You're always so thoughtful about what you're looking for, and I love partnering with you on these warm weather updates. My closet's getting so full. I have to be picky. I'm glad you grabbed that pink Daniel Rain crochet detail blouse from your freestyle shop. What a great deal right now. And I pulled pieces that I can mix right in with it. Try it with the blue Wit and Wisdom shorts you chose from preview for an easy summer outfit. So that's this one right here. I also heard you are wanting very light, super soft denim in that 28 to 30 inch inseam range. And she heard that because I went on to my Stitch Fix app and I talked to the online stylist and I said, is there any way you can get word back to my Stitch Fix box stylist? I have a box in progress and I just went through my preview and there were no light colored denim jeans there, and I'm really looking for light colored denim jeans. So she did confirm that she got the message back to my stylist. So that's a really wonderful part of their service. So she says, I sent you 2 easy jean options to test for fit and length, the cut from the cloth high-rise ankle flare and the Liverpool crop girlfriend cuff. For casual days, I added the gray market spruce sweatshirt to round things out. And there's a brand new Maggie London jumpsuit for a one and done look, plus the new link drop earrings for a little polish. All right, let's just jump into the first outfit. Okay, so we're starting with the Daniel Rain top. This is the one that I chose for Get It in a Fix. It's the reason that I have this off-cycle box. And I chose it because it's cute and because it was on sale, I thought for like $32.97, but my price here on my sheet says $56.97. I'm also in the Wit and Wisdom shorts, size 4, and they are $68, and they're super cute. Loving this whole outfit. This top is just cute and feminine and cheerful and soft and comfortable and forgiving, and it's got a nice silhouette. It's all the things. It may not be for everybody, these particular colors. Certainly I've made jokes about mom style on my channel before, so some may think this is mom style. I just kind of think it's cute, and I like the ruffle on the bottom, and I'll show you this lace-like trim on the bottom. The shorts are very, very nice too. I like the waistband. They're a little teeny bit snug. I like the double button. I wonder if they would stretch for me after a while. I like the big front patch pockets. I did look at them on the back, and I didn't think they looked too bad on the back. They are a nice length. In fact, it's cute that we've got this kind of blue and this blue together, but I probably would wear these shorts like with a tank top or a t-shirt because I want to show off all the patch pockets and double button and everything going on. All right, let's hop into her next outfit. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm totally keeping these Ralph Lauren little earrings. They are sterling silver and they're just cute. I like the shape of them. So they are $68 before my 25% discount. I will say 25% if I keep 5 items as I go through this. If you're a new Stitch Fix customer, it's 20%. I'm one of the OG people that have the old discount. So if you heard me say 25, that is what's up with that. So I didn't put on the Liverpool jeans yet because I like the look of the shorts with this Market and Spruce short sleeve gray sweat top, and I just kept on my cute little bow sandals from Walmart that went so well with the Daniel Rain top. Has a little bit of light pink in the background, and I like the little light pink feminine bow sandals. These are just super comfortable and airy. So yeah, just a super cute casual look with a little bit of a feminine bow on the foot. On my channel, especially when I'm doing hauls like from Walmart or the Loft, I like to only bring you styles that I think are wearable because I'm assuming we have this in common. We're probably in the same age group, and you might be one of my viewers that have recently lost a lot of weight and are enjoying style after that. So I try to bring things that are wearable for me, which may also be wearable for you. So I also sometimes have my own opinion on things, and regardless of what's in fashion or in style right now, I just really want to get the casual kind of washed out look. And so I love this short sleeve sweatshirt from Maggie London along with the Liverpool jeans. I will tell you, this is really in right now. These pockets that are kind of have this V shape on the bottom and go down towards the thigh. I personally don't like it. I don't know why. I just think it looks kind of dumb. So I'm not really into these pockets. So I think with the Liverpool jeans, as much as I love the wash and I love the cuff, I'm very disappointed about the pockets. So I may check with the online stylist at Stitch Fix to see if they have anything like this, but with different pockets. These jeans are $109. And if I didn't mention it, this cute little sweatshirt is 45 bucks. Well, Liverpool was a bust, but cut from the cloth is the winner of the day. I'm in the Kelsey high-rise ankle ab fab color indigo, size 4 jeans, and the price before discount is $99. So for a mid-level, designer, is that what they're called, jean, with 20% off of that, that's a great price. And then I am in the Saran Selena short sleeve crew neck top, black and white gingham kind of look, and it is $49. Lace Saran is always so affordable and so cute. So let's take a look at these jeans. I am so happy with these jeans. Loving them. Loving them. Perfect, faded, stretchy, not too thick so I can wear them in the summer. Oh, I just noticed this inseam. That's cool. That's interesting. A lot of jeans these days have something going on here. This has it on the inside. It's almost like your mom took them out for you. And she was a really good seamstress. She did a double seam. But yeah, these are amazing, awesome. Love the length. I can wear these with a flat. I can wear them with a sandal. I could probably put some height on them and they would look cool because of the little bit of the flare coming up here. So, like an espadrille would look good with these. But I just put on my favorite mesh tennies from Walmart. These are on sale, by the way, if they're still available. I think they're probably flying off the shelves at this point because they were originally around $30. They have black, pink, and white, and they have been on sale for under $15. Amazing. I have a cat over here that's tearing apart the Stitch Fix box. Panda. She doesn't tear apart the boxes, she just likes to lick the tape. Anyway, so let's take a look at this top. Very, very cute. Lace around, always has cute sleeves or some kind of layered pattern going on. Lace around always has wonderful patterns. I like this kind of abstract version of gingham. I've seen a few gingham things really come in lately, and I did order one thing from another company and got it, and I was like, I just didn't like wearing something that felt like a tablecloth. But this doesn't look like that. I think it's very, very cute. Okay, the last thing is this. Before I put it on, let's see what it's made out of. It is 80% polyester, 18% rayon, 2% spandex. Not stretchy at all. I'll hold it up here so you can kind of see up close the fabric. It looks very breathable, and the design of it just is so pretty. So I'm excited to put this on. Before we get into this Maggie London jumpsuit, I just wanted to stop and ask if you could hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out, and getting to 10,000 subscribers, which for me is a long ways off, allows me to access more educational programs about how to make better YouTube videos and other perks that bigger YouTubers get. So slow growth for me. I appreciate it if you've already subscribed and come back. And more than anything, I just love hearing your stories in the comments. Again, I started this channel after getting to a size 4 for the first time in my life. And 2 years later, I'm still not used to it. I still marvel at being able to wear a belt. So if you feel the same way, it's been years or it's new for you, I love to hear that in the comments. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and come back and visit me next time. Okay, so last thing is the Maggie London Sedera jumpsuit. They're classifying it as red and almost looks a little bit pink. It's a washed out red thin stripe, and it is $88 before any discounts, and I'm wearing a size 4. So I have mixed feelings about it. I think it's really neat. And the reason I started getting a little philosophical about my feelings after weight loss is, if you've been following this channel for a long time, when I started this channel, I was being sent oversized, baggy, loose fit jeans, Dolman sleeve tops, things that were in style. And I just didn't want to wear them because I wanted to have clothes that were silhouetting my new shape. I wanted people, friends and family that I was seeing for the first time after losing 68 pounds to see the smaller size that I was. Now, years later, I am getting a little more comfortable in oversized looks, especially like big palazzo type of pants like this. So it's a very, very cute jumpsuit. I would really love to have at a brunch or something to wear this to. The only thing that gives me mixed feelings about it is, believe it or not, I feel a little chunkier looking at it. So I think it's just because there's some room here and the fact that it puffs out here. So in the way that the elastic waistband is shaped, combined with the legs. So I don't know, maybe when I edit this video and I look back on it, I'll decide that I really like this. It's definitely not the type of thing that I normally wear, and that's exactly why I do subscription boxes. I want to get out of my comfort zone and try new styles that I haven't tried before. Even though I may feel trepidatious about them at first, once I get them on, I realize, hey, I'm looking styling and I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And by the way, what I ended up keeping, I'll put in my pinned comments and my description box. See you next time.